Hi, I'm Dennis Porch, Senior Professor of Communication on North Campus. In my role as the General Education Assessment Manager, I'm working with the General Education Assessment Council to support the QEP goals. The General Education Assessment Council is advancing those goals by designing and embedding problem-solving activities and assignments into the 13 problem-solving cornerstone courses. This ensures that students practice the full process as part of their coursework at Wake Tech. These cornerstone courses were strategically selected so that every single Wake Tech student will encounter the problem-solving model at least once during their academic journey. So welcome to the PS 200 course standards training, part of Wake Tech's QEP, Solve It, Say It, problem solving with an emphasis on communication. Overall, this training is a smaller course load than EPIC. In fact, much of this training will be familiar to you as we aim to take problem-solving work you're already doing in your courses and align it with the QEP language and standards for success. Through these methods and training, we can better and more efficiently teach our students problem-solving and how they can apply the problem-solving method to a variety of disciplines and real-life problems. The heart of this course is to build upon the critical thinking that you're already facilitating in your classes and enhance it through a common, structured process to meet the QEP goals. First, we're going to apply the Wake Tech problem-solving process to different disciplines. Then we'll highlight the problem-solving standards rubric and the 8 steps. And finally, we're going to discuss how we can apply this process to rubrics and assignments. In PS 100, you learned the General Education Problem-Solving Standards rubric and how it related to common language we would use with students day to day. Let's review that. In Step 1, Define, we define the problem. In Step 2, Learn, we research and investigate using credible sources. Then in Step 3, Brainstorm, we identify pathways to solve the problem. So that in Step 4, Plan, we select a solution to solve the problem. Then in Step 5, Try it out, we implement a solution, whether it's real or hypothetical. In Step 6, Evaluate it, we evaluate the solution we've selected to solve the problem. Step 7, Reflect on it, we revise based on reflection where necessary. And in Step 8, Share it, the standards language is justify the solution. In this training presentation, we'll be using the academic general education standards language more than the student-friendly 8 steps common language. This slide reviews and defines both so that we can work on how to connect steps to instruction and assignments. We will take a deeper dive into each of these standards later in this course.